Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Let's have a look at another great pre-owned vehicle and welcome back to the virtual showroom. Let's check out this gorgeous Nissan Murano SL all-wheel drive. You've seen the kilometers, low kilometers for a 2012, extremely low. Gentleman bought a BMW, so we're happy to take a nice trade-in like this. So I'll point out some features. Like I said, it's SL, it's all-wheel drive. You've got the dual exhaust tips, nice little sporty look to it. Got alloy wheels, you got push button start, proximity key, you've got tons of standard features which I'm going to show you very shortly. You got the fog lights, nice beefy Nissan grille, hood's in nice shape, glass is in nice shape, panoramic sunroof, wall-to-wall sunroof, always cool. You got power lift gate, so you got power lift gate. Nice size trunk, as you can see. You have the ability to add child anchors, child seats. There's 60-40 split folding seats, so you can fold that side down or fold that side down or fold them both down if you're doing a little project at home. So again, some definite value there. We got some, I'm not even sure what these are. Little storage containers or something. So some neat things. You've also got ability to fold the seats down from the back, and then you've got power seats, so fold and release and power seats. So power folding, or they automatically fold that lever and then they're power to come back up. So some cool features there. You got the lift gate here. Again, this has got a ton of standard features. Take a look at the leather. Again, leather's in nice shape. You've got some cup holders here that fold out. There's that sunroof. Carpets are in nice shape. It was an older gentleman that owned it, so you've got a little storage there, a little garbage for the kids. You got power windows in the rear. You got some, oh, I didn't even show you that. Some ventilation there for your passengers. It's just beeping because I got the key outside the vehicle. You got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You've got locking rear windows as well. You got the ability, you got a power seat with lumbar support. You've got heated steering wheel. You've got a power lift gate right here. You got your fuel, your traction control. You have for your power outlet, you can switch it on or off. These are for your folding rear seats as well. So lots of standard features there. Memory seats. What else we got? Let's keep going. You've got your Bluetooth hands-free calling on the left-hand side. You got your cruise control on the right-hand side. This nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. There's no cuts or anything like that. You got some more storage features, cup holders, heated seats, four-wheel drive lockdown here, so high-low heated seats for passenger driver. You've got dual-zone climate control. Wow, you got a lot of things. Let's see here. You got a nice big heads-up display, backup camera, Bose sound system. I mean, it's really got it all. The leather's in fantastic shape. The dash is in fantastic shape. Low kilometers, lots of value in this vehicle. I mean, white with beige leather, gorgeous color combination. So don't miss out. There's that big panoramic sunroof again, or it's a sunroof with another moon roof, but it looks like that. You got the compass in the mirror. Really tons of cool features. So again, we just looked at a 2012 Murano all-wheel drive, so it's beeping because I didn't have the key in the car. Push button start, I forgot to mention push button start, or maybe I did, I can't even remember. I do so many videos because I love these cars. Again, shop 24/7, Hyundai.com, call, text, or email if you have any questions. And we look forward to seeing you for any of your new or pre-owned vehicle needs.